Hey y'all, what is up? This is your gal Val. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, I shaved my hair off. If you want to see how I did this, then you just keep on watching.
Yes, it's me again.
Yeah,
and I'm back.
TLC on the remix.
Hey y'all, what is up? You know who it is. This is your gal Val, and welcome back to my channel, especially if you've been a Veezy Baby for a minute. Hey, I see y'all out there, and if this is your first time tuning in with me, thank you so much for sharing a couple minutes of your life with me. Hopefully it's at least a couple minutes, not like a couple seconds, but you know, that's neither. So if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please remember to click that red button down below and click subscribe. It's not going to cost you anything, I promise you. No gimmicks. Just leave a comment, show love, do whatever. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. And yeah, so let's just dive into it. So as you can see, this is definitely a bleach going wrong. I used the L'Oreal, like the bleach pack, like in the blue pack. I'm sure everybody knows what I'm talking about. I got that, and I used 30 volume developer, and I left it on my hair for about 30 minutes. After I bleached it, I used the Shimmering Lights shampoo. It's the one in the purple bottle. I ended up buying a Wella toner. I want to say it was like T20. I mixed the whole bottle along with 2 parts of 20 volume developer in there, and then I put that all over my head. After I put that on, I left it on. I think I left it on for like 20 minutes or 25, and then after that, here we are. It just takes in different spots better than other places. Like how my roots, like not my roots, but like my edges, like really blonde. You can see like it basically like stops like in this area here, and then everything else is like darker, and even like on the side over here, it didn't take over here, and I think like a little bit over here, I think back here in the back of my ear. And clearly I'm not a pro. Maybe I need to just quit playing myself and get a pro to do my hair, but in the meantime I'm trying to pinch these pennies, you know, and I'm trying to learn too. So I've learned my lesson. That did not work out well for me. With that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting my hair.
Me there or anywhere, yeah. Oh, nah, 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 no, nah, 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 oh, nah, 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 oh, nah, nah, nah. 'Cause on these streets, in the dark we go. On these streets, we're high when it's low. On these streets, new concrete flowers grow. Oh, in my hood, my hood, my hood, my hood. You should come to my hood, my hood, my hood. Said you should come to my hood, my hood, my hood. You should come to my hood, my hood, my hood. IAMDDB, of course. Bitch is so sour, but it's
2,000 years later.
happily with my G's. I'm sitting here on my own, feeling confused. I'm slightly amused by it all. I'm wavy, you have no control. My mind is blossoming lately. You think you're the wave, I beg to differ. I inherited the wave, I am different clouds, different prices, different scars, different seduction, abductions. I cannot and won't conform, I'll do it all on my own. I keep it G all the time, always left wondering why I cannot fit in. I choose me. When the money ain't around, and the bitches ain't around, who the fuck will be around?
whole EP is a vibe, honey.
Didn't go so far. I'm over the limit. Can't stop it. I'm soaring. I'm leaning up, laughing. I'm going under 'cause I'm laying down. Yes, I am leaning. 'Cause I'm leaning.
I think I'm done. I'm trying to feel like I don't have a mirror down here and I don't feel like going upstairs. So I just keep feeling in the back to see if I have any hair. I probably do, but it feels okay overall. So I'm just brushing my hair down. Here's why I got lines in my hair. Is it not coming out? It's not coming out. Okay. So this is, I guess, what my hair looks like underneath all that mess. I actually don't feel bad about it. I thought I was gonna look crazy. Oh yeah, this is the finished look. Let me turn around so y'all can see my little egg head or whatever.
Oh my god!
I still got this towel on. This is my hair, how it is right now. I like it. I probably still am gonna go get a bleach pack. And make my hair a wee bit lighter. And hopefully one same damn color. I'm not gonna mess with the back. I'm gonna let my boyfriend line me up. So yeah, like I said in the beginning, if you are not a subscriber, please feel free to do so. I promise it's not gonna cost you anything except for your time. Show love to your girl. Say hey, leave comments, tell me how much you like my shirt, because I mean I'm a 90s baby. I love you guys. Thank you so much, my little Veezy babies out there. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Yes. It's me again.
Yeah.
And I'm back.
TLC on the remix.
Oh,